Hi guys, it's me, the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make some pickled ginger today. This is known as Gari, and it is the ginger that they give you when you eat sushi. It's very nice to have at home. It's easy to make. It'll last you for a good month or more in the fridge, and it is a nice palate cleanser. Before we do anything, if you could please sub, I would really appreciate that. Turn on the notification button so you don't miss out on anything. And let's go make this. I have some washed ginger here, which I'm going to peel and cut very thinly. So I'm just gonna grab a spoon and I'm going to scrape off the skin. Try and find young ginger, meaning, you don't want those big pieces because they have a lot of fiber, and we don't want fiber in this. So once I peel it, I'm gonna start slicing it very thinly. If you have a mandolin, use it. So we want nice and thin pieces. This is how we want to cut it, okay? So I'm gonna do this with all of it and I'll come back. I'm only gonna do 2 of the roots. I have plenty in here. I'm gonna add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And I'm using sea salt, guys. If you can use sea salt, that would be good. Or use kosher salt, iodized salt. Sometimes changes the flavor of these things. So if you only have iodized, then use that, okay? I'm going to just rub that in, and we're gonna let this sit on the counter for about 30 minutes. Okay, I transferred the ginger into a clean jar, as you can see. We're gonna use rice vinegar for this recipe. It doesn't have to be organic. This is what I found at the store, okay? But make sure it's not seasoned. You just want pure rice vinegar. So we're gonna use a whole cup of this. And I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of sugar. We're gonna stir this until the sugar is dissolved. And we're gonna let it come to a boil and turn off the heat. Once it starts to boil, take it off the heat, okay? And we're gonna pour the hot liquid into the jar with the ginger. We are gonna wait for this to cool down, and then we're gonna refrigerate it and leave it in there at least 1 week, guys, before we can enjoy it. Depending on the quality of your rice vinegar, this will turn pink. We'll see how good that vinegar is that we use. Just wanna show you that our rice vinegar is good quality. This is still hot and it's turning pink. Very beautiful. Let's taste our ginger. Yummy. I love the freshness that this leaves inside my mouth. After I eat a piece of this ginger, I always feel like my mouth just got cleaned. I love the spiciness of the ginger with the little sweetness of the sugar, but also the tartness of the vinegar. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. If you could like and comment and share this video with your friends and family, I'd really appreciate it. I'm gonna see you soon.